greater than Masinde? Who is greater than Wamalwa? Hakuna. Hawa ni mdomo tupu. Mdomo tupu. Nakwambia, mdomo tupu. Wakati Jem Kariuki, when he was murdered, and there was a select committee of the National Assembly to find out what caused the death of Jem Kariuki. There was a lawyer in that team, anaitwa Bwana Peter Kibisu, one of the most brilliant trade unionists and parliamentarian. And then there was Martin Shikuku, walio wawili. Wakati wa kupiga kura, they said, we must be told who killed Jem Kariuki. Who killed Jem Kariuki? And then when the matter went to the National Assembly, Masinde Muliro, who was a minister for cooperatives, he said, we did not fight for independence. We did not fight for independence to murder each other. And Masinde was sacked from cabinet. Kibisu was sacked from cabinet. And they went out now to go out to struggle out there. The best of the speakers in the history of Kenya has come here from Luhyaland. Marende, who is not a yes man. I don't think in the near future we are going to get any better speaker than Marende. Wakati mwingine nilikuwa na karibu nipigwe na Uhuru Kenyatta siku moja nikiambia kwa mazishi ingine ya Matiba, nilikuwa nasema ati from all the politicians ambao wako hapa, I think it's only Matiba who will go to heaven. Niseme hivi, huyu mtu anaitwa Lawrence Sifuna. If you look at the annals of Parliament of the Republic of Kenya, him and Shikuku, there were two things they used to do. Lawrence asking questions every day. Second, motions. And they were there all the time. Shikuku was the king of standing orders. So this man was a good parliamentarian. He was a good parliamentarian and stood for the truth. Stood for the truth. Like now, tumesema ya kwamba dialogue imekuja na mwongozo ambao ni nzuri. But if you really believe in that dialogue, the easiest route is to amend the Finance Act. Mara moja. But I think a lot of people are here who are speaking. When that thing comes to Parliament, they will not vote for it. Kwa hivyo, mimi nataka niseme, he was a practical politician. Na kuna ingine ambayo nataka niseme kwa sababu wa mnyinyi iko hapa. He used to tell us when you want to go to work in the morning, kula sawa. Ano mjana najua, nyumba yako nilikuwa nakuja. Tunakula umrere, mayai, nyama, kila kitu unakula asubuhi kwa sababu hujui kitu gani itafanyika. Na anasema hata kama unaweza kugonga pelele kidogo, gonga tu. Kwa sababu hujui. And I learned that lesson because many times when I was arrested, sometimes you'll be kept in the cells for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and so on and so forth. But an incident that I can never forget, because Wamunyinyi was a good footballer, and I was a good footballer, Baba was a good footballer. We went to Tanzania to play football in Dodoma. And the back line, ilikuwa ni Wamunyinyi na Lawrence Sifuna. Na Wamunyinyi ndio nyumba yake tulikuwa nakwenda huko asubuhi. Alikuwa tunakula mboga na kila kitu asubuhi. Na Wamunyinyi akasema leo tukienda kucheza mpira Dodoma and we are on the back line, you try your best, but Wamunyinyi na mimi, the ball can pass, but not the striker from the other team. Ukipita utaona magumu sana. Mundu kwa mundu. And we won the match. So let me conclude this, because some people are normally worried when people are talking in such an audience. They begin to think, we came to see this and that. But